but we've got all
I
new
thought you were going to get the other stuff.
new Pokemon.
Ooh, hello. What are you talking about?
New Pokemon. I don't know much about Pokemon, but we've got new
Why
ones.
not?
And these ones seem to be
Piplup.
the 3 versions of the Pokemon.
Is it? Well, it's like 3 different characters. I don't know.
Well, they changed, don't they? Isn't there like a
looks
fighting
like
mode and a non-fighting mode?
I don't know. There's just one in here.
What do we got here?
Looks like a duck. Is that a duck?
Oh, there's one in that one. So this one, what's this? Torterra Evolution set. So what do we got here? We've got Turtwig, Grotle, and Torterra. It looks like it's got a tree growing out of
Is that a monkey?
the shell. Well, you've got a monkey, yeah. What's that one called?
Chimchar.
What?
Monferno. I like that one.
Chimchar,
Monferno.
Infernape.
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 Inferno and ape. I like what they've done there.
Through you.
And it is a bit me. I was going to go the duck, but I like the monkey now. The monkey's definitely more me. That's also me, but he's not. There's no angry duck.
No. And so these are basic kits. They're not too difficult to put together, and they're all
is that why they're suitable for me? Is that what you're saying?
No.
Is that what
the age is 6+?
Well, that's right. It's about suitable for me.
There you go. And they're all color separated, so you don't need to paint them.
Oh, the instructions are the box.
That's right, because they're simple.
How good's that?
You don't need extra printing.
We've got some decals.
Here's your monkeys. Oh, there's a bit more in here. Hey, there's a little Pikachu. Why is there a Pikachu?
Oh, you've had me at Pikachu.
Why is there a little Pikachu? That's got me.
Has it?
Why does it show that?
Limited edition Pikachu.
Oh, it does. This set includes Pikachu.
Every set should include a Pikachu.
There you go. There's Pikachu.
Have a closer look.
It's right there.
Any of the other ones have Pikachu.
Oh, that's the back of him. Hang on.
The back of Pikachu.
There you go. There's a Pikachu there. And then what else we got?
That's great for kids, 6+.
For sure.
Get them into Gundam nice and early. Well, not Gundam, but get them into Bandai.
All the different colors.
Nice color palette, isn't it?
Monkey. Yeah, monkey.
Monkey.
That's right.
Infernape.
Is that the one you like?
Oh, actually, probably like the middle one. It looks a bit more funky.
That's pretty good. You have 4 little characters.
4. Not just 3. We thought it was 3.
No, it's 4 characters in a pack. There you go. New Pokemon.